Your LG washer should be spraying water from here. But if there's no spray and it's making noise, don't blame the inlet valve. This pump is the real problem. That little water jet in your LG washer door seal isn't magic. It's powered by a separate pump. Right here at the side of the rubber door seal. This is where the water jet is supposed to spray during the wash cycle. It helps circulate wash water back onto the clothes for better cleaning performance. And this is the recirculation pump responsible for that function. When the pump becomes weak or noisy internally, you'll still hear it running, but no water actually reaches the door seal. The recirculation pump on this model is mounted at the front bottom left of the washer. To get proper access, I'm tilting the unit and laying it carefully on its right side. This exposes the pump assembly underneath, making it easier to inspect and remove. First, I'm disconnecting the electrical connector from the pump. You can clearly see corrosion and rust on the housing. That's never a good sign. Here's the brand new replacement pump. Before installing it, I'm comparing the mounting points, connector type, and outlet position to make sure it's an exact match. Always double check your part before putting everything back together. Next, I'm removing the 3 mounting screws that secure the pump to the housing. Before pulling it out, place a towel or rag underneath. There will be leftover water inside the system. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the pump straight back and let the water drain out safely. Before installing the new pump, I'm using a rag to clean the mounting surface and connection area. Any dirt, rust, or debris left behind can prevent a proper seal. Make sure the surface is clean and dry so the new pump sits flush and doesn't leak. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old pump and the new one. You can clearly see the rust and corrosion on the original unit. I'm checking the mounting tabs, outlet angle, and electrical connector to make sure everything lines up exactly. Always compare both sides before installation to avoid fitting issues. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks securely into place. Make sure the wiring is firm and not loose before moving on. All right, washer is back upright and running. And now you can clearly see the water spraying from the door seal again. That confirms the recirculation pump was the issue. No more noise and proper water circulation is restored. Simple fix, big difference in wash performance.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next repair.